During Great Lent, the mountain is always covered in snow, inaccessible to the outside world. This year the snow was so high on the eaves of the roof, it even covered the chapel bell on the second floor. Quiet, peace, and physical work are perfect for cultivating prayer and self-examination. The sisters spent this time without almost any contact with the outside world. Our spiritual father and abbess were also away for a long period due to their many obligations. Springtime came suddenly with the Holy Resurrection and brought another welcome surprise. An unexpected visit from our spiritual father and our sisters from our Metokian in Belgrade.
Hristos Voskrese, radost donese.
15 minutes later, another familiar and beloved jeep is in sight. It is our abbess and our other dear sister, with a furry present.
He's very aggressive, Sasha. He's really aggressive. Nah.
He's a bit naughty. Wait, there is another bigger present.
She's a really good girl.
Javite, Hristos Voskrese, radost donese. Zvona zvonite, svima javite, Hristos Voskrese, radost donese.
Slava ti, Bože.
Slava ti, Bože, sveti se može, Hristos Voskrese, radost
It's wonderful to come home and find the mountain is the same as always.
Nie, mój tak. Nie, mój tak. Kaj to tam?
Peaceful and yet full of life. Simple pleasures, like sharing a meal, are the sweetest. It's time for the abbess to inspect the monastery and do some brainstorming. Time for fellowship and spiritual conversation. We are happy to be together, even for a short while. Surrounded by endless vistas. All of nature seems to bask in the radiance of the resurrection. God has been very good to our little monastery, which seems so fragile, but is thriving in this wilderness. A walk with our loyal guard dogs is in order. We have the mountains all to ourselves. For those of us sisters living in civilization, it is a wonderful respite, if all too short. No matter where we go, this is our treasure. Our sisters and our fortress of prayer. The purity and the freedom of the mountains. A little earthly reminder of our eternal home. The kingdom of the risen Lord.